Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically apply these styles to your videos, to your photos on CapCut. So it does only work for photos in this case, just to add some effects in if you're just going to upload some photos. So select the picture that you have, and then you are going to select style. So make sure you select the actual clip or else it won't show up. Scroll it to the left and then find style. Select it, and you are going to find the split one, and then you're either going to select photo puzzle and wait for it to generate, or use the photo album, which is this one. I think both of these are pretty cool, but yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!